Hey traders, hope you're having a great day. Today we're excited to share our daily 12 premium trading signals designed to help you trade with more confidence and better planning. Each signal includes a clear entry point, stop loss, and target levels, so you always know exactly how to approach the trade. To make it easy for everyone to get started, we're offering a tester plan for just $10 per month. This allows you to try the signals first, check the accuracy, and see the results for yourself. And if you're happy with the performance, you can upgrade to our other plans anytime. And here's something special for you. When you join us on Patreon, you'll get 25% off your first month. You can find the link in the description and the comment section below. We truly appreciate your support and would love to welcome you to our growing community. Let's learn, trade, and grow together. Thank you so much for being here. Disclaimer, please do your own research before trading. This content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice.